Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you a really very easy recipe of DIY exfoliating sea salt scrub for your scalp. This scrub has a lot of benefits. It helps to exfoliate your scalp, it helps to get rid of dead skin cells, eliminates dandruff and itching, prevents hair loss, activates hair growth, and makes your hair healthy and shiny. Let me show you the ingredients, let me show you the recipe, and then I will tell you how to use it. Use the scrub only on the wet hair, massage for a couple of minutes and then wash it off with your regular shampoo. In this particular recipe I have used essential oils, and each of these oils, they tackle certain problems. In the description area below this video you will find the oils that tackle certain problems, so check this out. So if you, for example, have only one problem such as hair loss, you can find which oils are for hair loss. If you have dandruff and itchiness, I will list the essential oils that only for dandruff and itchiness. And that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, give me the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, either clicking on this icon here or on the red button below this video. And I wish you all the best. Have a nice day everyone, and I hope to see you in the next video.